welcome back to How to channel. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button because we are sharing about how to do everything, and the most thing is, we post a video every day. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about how to become a hacker. In computer security, a hacker is someone who focuses on security mechanisms of computer and network systems. There are communities and shared cultures of expert programmers and networking wizards that trace its history back through decades to the first time sharing mini-computers and the earliest ARPANET experiments. The members of this culture were the first hackers. Breaking into computers and phone systems have come to symbolize hacking in popular culture, but this culture is much more complicated and moralistic than most people know. To become a hacker, learning basic hacking techniques, how to think like a hacker, and how to gain respect within the ethical hacking community. Now, we will show you the steps for becoming a hacker. Number 1. Preparing before you hack. Run a Unix-like OS, such as Linux. Unix and Unix-like operating systems are the operating systems of the Internet. While you can learn to use the Internet without knowing Unix, you can't be an Internet hacker without understanding Unix. For this reason, the hacker culture today is pretty strongly Unix-centered. There are many types of Unix-like operating systems, the most popular being Linux, which you can run alongside Microsoft Windows on the same machine. Download Linux online or find a local Linux user group to help you with installation. Number 2. Learn a programming language such as HTML. If you don't know how to program, learning basic hypertext markup language, HTML, and gradually building proficiency is essential. What you see when you look at a website of pictures, images, and design components is all coded using HTML. For a project, set out to learn how to make a basic home page and work your way up from there. Number 3. Know your target. By knowing your target, you can simply know the correct technique for hacking someone. Number 4. Use a Unix terminal for commands. Cygwin will help emulate a Unix for Windows users. Nmap in particular uses WinCap to run on Windows and does not require Cygwin. Number 5. Secure your machine first. Make sure you've fully understood all common techniques to protect yourself. Number 6. Test the target. By doing this, you will know that your hacking system is operating or not. Number 7. Determine the operating system. This is important to make sure your hacking is correct to its place. Number 8. Find a path or open port in the system. Common ports such as FTP/21 and HTTP/80 are often well protected, and possibly only vulnerable to exploits yet to be discovered. Number 9. Crack the password or authentication process. Number 10. Get super user privileges. Try to get root privileges if targeting *Nix machine, or administrator privileges if taking on Windows systems. Number 11. Use various tricks. This will help your hacking process become more professional. Number 12. Cover your tracks. Don't let the administrator know that the system is compromised.